dash cam move.
Oh, look at that! What timing! I turn the camera on, and a Jody appears for Snap on Tuesday.
As if by magic.
As if by magic. The rape truck! So, what I was actually picking the camera up for is we've got a couple of jobs in. We haven't done any filming so far, and it's almost like nearly 11:30. Got a Toyota Hilux in for a HS10. We are going underneath the passenger seat. Alex has already got the seat up. Removed the air vent, so that we've got a flat space to be able to put ourselves on the floor there. I'm going to start taking the dash part on this. This isn't one of our units, but this is a Pioneer, I think a 160, maybe? Might be a 160 or a 360, not quite sure yet. But we're going to pull this out in a couple of minutes and have a look and get this connected up. I'll pull it out.
I've heard.
I know.
This is the problem. This is why I've got to keep away from wind.
I've also got the Honda Fit in at the moment, but we are waiting for the kit to be delivered to be able to put the 160 in this one. So, yeah, everything's all pulled apart. We've got the microphone up at the top, dab in the top left-hand corner, just there. USB is ran to the glove box area. Obviously, the glove box is out at the moment. It's over there on the floor. But, yeah, so we'll get that all put together once we've got the kit delivered. But there is a Jody who's just turned up, so... Go.
Right. Shit. Breaking stuff again?
Yep.
Yeah.
I saw him using this one as a pry bar.
I saw this guy working down Tesco's.
And then he was like, yeah, I'll take him on.
Bit of charity work, mate.
It's all for
Doing his bit for the community.
What else have we broke?
The pliers, the penny grip pliers, the teeth were wandering slightly. Did you want to get them sorted or?
No, because they'll just come back the same.
Alright.
Sunshine out here.
Yeah, buddy.
Got nuclear. Ooh.
Ooh.
Right.
You?
Yeah,
I know what we were gonna do.
Gonna do. Okay.
It's meaty leads.
Oh, that was it. How is Jody?
Very good, mate.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Busy as always, but busy is good. Trade-ins or new? No,
New.
New.
New. And this one's big box fan. This was ordered from the big box fan. For a while when I had it round, remember?
Yes.
Around, yeah. So. Yes, very nice.
Do you like the red trims?
Yeah, nice enough. Not bad at all, mate.
Is this a plain box, or has it got to have stickers put on the front of
No,
it?
it's a
Or
plain box, just a masters. We don't really have many masters that have that, to be honest. Look at that, mate. Like it was meant to be.
it's like you knew he was going to break it.
Exactly.
Jody just tends to keep stuff just in case Alex breaks stuff. The weird stuff.
It's meant to be.
Where is he?
Where's he done?
He's-
Ran off.
Yeah, that's it. He's gone.
It's gone.
Combustion leak tester. Oh, is that the one that goes in the coolant reservoir?
Yes. That's
Yeah,
the whole
design
thing. That's the whole
design
kit.
check that. Yeah, it's the one that has the liquid that changes colour, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so you know the head gasket's gone, isn't it?
It's normally, if it's a Vauxhall, tends to be gone.
Yeah, similar stuff actually from last week.
I was going to say, is there anything anything new?
Not really, no. No, I don't know when the new flyer's out or not. Actually, we haven't had a new one yet.
I was going to say, I noticed it was the same
Yeah,
one
same
as
one, yeah.
same one as last
Yeah.
week.
So yeah, it's all very much similar. All the same.
See if I can put him down yonder. Ah, the man.
Orangey. You don't.
Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Continuity is about as good as Nigel Farage's campaign.
Alright.
Let's not get involved.
Getting all political now, are we?
Balls to that idiot. Fucking.
Well, goddamn.
That's good. I can stand out of the way. Look. Hey. No one can see me. Don't do that. There you go.
Thanks, darling.
All right.
Oh, more?
More?
More deliveries.
Oh. That'll be the kit for the,
That'll be the kit, mate.
On the fit. There you go.
Has he got some new ones? Or has he got...
What's that? I think he bought some last week.
Huh?
Did you get new leads last week?
No.
No.
No, we bought the little terminal things, didn't we? Or did we?
Oh, you got some last week.
Did I? Oh, okay. I know we got the...
I wasn't sure whether you did or not.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, did I? I may have done, I don't know. I've slept since then.
I've slept since then.
What we got then, darling? Anything new?
No. No, same
See you later then.
Yeah.
Snap on Tuesday, everyone's done.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty boring one this week.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry.
Get the RC car out then.
I'm not getting out.
That's what he says to all the girls.
I'm not getting out.
It's not very impressive, so there's no point getting out.
It's like a quarter drive.
Could you even call it a 3/8?
No. It's not quite a 3/4, is it?
Not quite.
That's a hell of a bar. What's
Yeah.
that inch?
3/4.
I mean the bar.
But you nice. What about a nice old spanner?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's not even got any part. Part number doesn't even work for.
Doesn't it?
No.
It's China's copyist, finest.
No, it's American. It's a
Is
snap-on. It's an old one. Yeah, it's an old one.
Just so old it doesn't compute.
Yeah, it's come off the system. I don't know what. S8652A. Yeah. 3/8 and 5/16. Imperial magic.
Current then.
Yeah. So. Yeah. So apologies. Yeah. So it's just samey.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Snap on's here. Yeah? Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Build you up to let you down.
Oh.
You know. Yeah. I think we had all the Mercedes stuff and all the oil filters last time, didn't we? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. I think. Some quarter drive sockets with magnets in. Probably got.
No, I haven't got the ones with magnets in.
You know, this fell off earlier.
Fell off.
I had a toolbox. I was delivering a toolbox for a customer who I'd away for a bit. Take it away. Yeah. So.
Choose a one-punch foam set. That's a bit epic, isn't it?
Yeah. 31 piece.
PPC01 Foxtrot Romeo.
Sold one yesterday, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I did.
How much are they?
I believe they're $5.99.
Oh, excuse me?
$5.99.
$5.99. You heard him, didn't you?
You obviously got the same with the ratchet spanners in foam. A lot of foam at the moment.
They
There's
are
obviously
loving the foam,
spanners
aren't they?
in the foam.
That's what makes it expensive. It's the phone.
I'm not saying anything. We have a winner.
Oh,
So yeah, it's all in foam in it. Foam. These are the wrong sizes then, quarter drive to an inch. We do the odd occasional stuff. Yeah.
Oh.
Just managed to get my hands on another triple pack of digital toys.
Have you? What size?
Half, 3/8 and quarter, or 3.
What
in
colour?
foam, red.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yes.
is that what? Digital torque wrenches?
Yeah.
Listen to him. Red. How much are they? 20 quid. What?
Have you got any already?
No, I've got the manual ones.
Okay. 14.99, 14.99 for all three. That's right, to be fair.
Oh, they've gone down in price.
Yeah.
I'm sure they were nearer 2k. That was when they were on special there.
They were
Yes.
like 18.
Yeah. So yeah.
They went up.
Yes.
Ooh, that special deal where they go up in price, yeah?
Ouch.
So yeah, it's good. I think I sold 4 sets, so they do sell really well. Couldn't they?
In foam.
Yes. Oh yeah, baby.
What do I owe you, Joe?
Apparently 14-inch good.
Shit. There you go. I don't like to say it on camera, so you can edit it, but yeah. It's coming down.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's coming right down. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know when they're coming, but my manager just rang me and said, "Look, I've got sets of these. Do you want one?" So I just said yes because I won't turn those down. They'll sell all day. Easy phone.
Engine building.
Lotuses.
Like,
I'm just stating the
just
facts.
Joe, can you just get that knife? Just shove it in his face.
Have it back. Just wipe the blood off it.
Do they do the angle stuff as well, don't they?
Of course they do. That's what their digital ones are for.
Yeah. Oh. You do trainings though, don't you?
Yeah, we'll do some trainings.
Okay, so yes to a red set.
Yep.
What's your trade-ins?
What have you got?
Half.
Yep.
3/8.
Yep.
And a quarter.
Not cool, have you? I haven't seen them.
Half's worth about 200 quid. Freight's worth about 175. Quarter's probably worth 150. So 375, 475,
20 quid
525. Brings it down to 900 quid, doesn't it? Yours. Yours one.
The pair of you.
It wasn't me. I just happened to mention that I've just got a set. That's all.
In red.
In red, yeah. I just happened
Because
to
the other set that turned up were green and black, and I didn't want that.
Yeah. I just happened to mention that they were coming in red. I
I'm
wasn't,
just mentioning the fact we've got to build 2 fucking Lotus engines.
Dirty little
bastard.
You having a spare one just in case?
No, you're not here we
Seen
blew one
last
up.
weekend.
I saw yours, but why you got build 2?
I blew the engine up last week.
Yeah.
You don't have to build 2 engines, eh?
Yeah.
Why,
There's
you got
one in bits that we're building at the moment.
Oh,
and
okay.
then
Yeah, that's what I meant. So you got a
blown
spare
up.
one.
So those engines now are 15 grand to sell, between 15 and 20.
Fucking hell, spare.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
So you build 2 just in case to have a spare. So if that one goes, you can use a.
No, I was going to build one to go back in the car, and
Yeah.
I was going to build the other. I wasn't going to build the other, I was going to use it as a stopgap and then sell it on.
Yeah.
But obviously now the law of the sod has gone, hey!
Hey.
Hey, you guys,
The
guess what?
suspension went on the van, we had squeaking and banging and popping, we've had to do all the brakes in the suspension. Chaser alternators went,
Comes in 3s.
and now the Lotus, oh,
I know. I believe it does. I
van,
fucking- honestly.
Lotus, now the Chaser.
Never stops, mate.
It does. You hear that?
I know exactly how you
It
feel.
needs to stop.
Wants
I
to.
know exactly how you feel when things
I got
do, you know?
DD problems and
Yeah, I got, like you say, at the
not doing
moment,
money.
I'm trying to keep it. I'm on holiday in August, so I'm trying to keep this running till August, so I can send it in and not have to lose extra time. You know, obviously with the starting problem, it's got an engine light on, but they did the engine light, said it would be fine to drive. So
Dude, you've got like 3 scanners here, just keep clearing it. Just
Yeah,
have one on the dash.
clear.
Just keep
No,
one plugged in.
I say yes.
So yeah, just fucking the start. This is not all the time, but some of the time there's starting issues.
Just
Just
keep
pain in the
it
ass.
plugged in.
When you're sat outside of customers and just going, live, hey, I'm doing you for 40 quid a week.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I wonder how many times you heard that.
A few. So
Oh.
I've got new tattoos. So
Yeah, you had. Oh, that was a new one then.
that's
What does
new.
it say?
With great power comes great responsibility. Same as Spider-Man. I've got a couple of the Infinity Stones coming, gone. I Love You 3000. I've got Wakanda Forever. I've got some ants from Ant-Man. And I've got Guardians of the
Marvel.
Galaxy. And, yeah, it's all Marvel sleeve, yeah.
Have you seen the bird that's got all the computer stuff over her legs and her
No.
body? Like Mario at one leg.
That's cool.
And, yeah, she's covered. but they're dead cool.
Yeah.
And she's not, shall we say, bad on the eye.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with it so far. I've got a few more bits to do on it, but I'm really pleased with how it's gone actually. On the old sleeve. Showed off on the camera, yeah. How did your bike test go?
It's over there.
I've seen his
I saw the one. Did we picked up one yesterday? Was that the motocross, the green one? Yeah, you picked it up. Nice. I didn't see the picture of it. Did it rain or when you for your test? Or? No, that's fine.
No, literally on the way there.
Nice, that's good.
We went out for a ride.
Did you?
Down the ridgeway yesterday. I took my bobber low slump.
And then he went on the fucking mud and you couldn't follow.
Oh no, I did.
Did you?
That was the thing. I did.
Did you?
I was stood on the back pegs of it, giving it.
God.
It was funny. I did think he was going to faceplant.
I said to you, did I see? No, we had the meeting on Tuesday, so I saw the new soldier iron as well. So there's 5 coming.
What?
The new soldier iron, the 40.4 soldier iron, there's 5 coming. So that's, yeah. Alright.
When's this?
Broke.
Next couple of weeks, I would guess. I don't know when they were coming. Thank you.
Is that 5?
Yeah.
Let me feel the fibre of your fabric.
You got a heck of a Liberia's deficit in your skyrocket.
And it is a lovely tan. You watch your fucking mouth around my boy.
Sorry, dude.
Right, that's it, people.
Well, you're not at Prior's Hill anymore, are you?
Yeah, I am.
You are, is that the new one?
Yeah, that's the new one.
That's
See you in a bit. Right then, my dudes. Honda's done. So this is a Honda Fit. Now with a Pioneer. I don't fit in a Honda Fit. The seat's back as far as it goes. It is not made for me. So this is the one without the airbag. So the airbag blank, hazard switch still works. We have Pioneer in, new face kit, piano black, steering controls, all operational. And as well as foot on the brake, into reverse, we get his factory camera for the Honda working all through the Pioneer system. Microphone up, oh you lazy bastard Daniel. Microphone will be stuck up there, DAB aerial over there. USB in the glove box as normal. I'll be back in a minute, I'm just going to kick his head in. Cheeky sod.
Everyone, right, let me just turn this down real quick. Hang on, let me just keep talking so we don't get copyright striked. Sound, there we go. So, Hilux is all done. Kicker HS10 is in, head unit is all back in and ready to go. We have got things missing. So this one was fitted by somebody else and the half of the wires at the back of it for the sub outputs were missing. Also, we are missing something up there. However, there is something down here that we are not a fan of. HS10 is under the passenger seat, as it's supposed to be. Give us a couple of seconds and I'll go around there. Hello, my name's Dickie. Dickie Mint Cycles. So, HS10 is underneath here, you can just see a little blue light for it. You can see it from the footwell at the back. It's all screwed down and fixed in place. And obviously it being a pickup, it is perfect for this because it is a tough wearing sub that will allow you to stand on it if needs be. But other than that, yeah, all done. So we'll give you a shout back in a moment. See you soon. There we go.
Right then everyone, here we have unique. We have an ID core system. So this is CarPlay and Android Auto interface into this 1 series. Actually, this is a friend from school. So we have it's kind of like, we're not changing this out for one of them Chinese things. We're just manipulating the screen, almost like having 2 radios. So usually you'll have like a media button or a backup button. You'll press and hold it for a second and it will switch over to this box. And then this box will then show you CarPlay and Android Auto once your phone is connected wirelessly to this. So we've got power cable to put in, we've got a couple of screen cables, we've got to swap out aerial and microphone and stuff and interface this into this. So we'll probably have some space down in here or under here that we can take the radio out and interface with the factory unit and get this playing through that. So we'll take a feed out of that into this, and then from this into that, and then it will run through, and this will decide what it's watching. Does that make sense?
Yep. As you were pointing, I was chasing your finger.
Great. So everyone on the TVs is now going, oh, got motion sickness. Alright, come on.
See you soon.
Right then, my dudes, lunchtime check. So we've got the beamer apart. We have microphone going to go up here next to the screen, just there. Dan is just putting the lead in. We've got screen in, screen out, that's going in. We've swapped the fibre optic over, and then all this stuff can get hidden back inside the dash. We've got our ID core box here with our ins and outs, audio in, audio out, microphone. We're just going to tidy up these cables and secure the box behind the dash. And we'll come back to you in a minute with CarPlay on that bad boy. See you in a minute. What?
What's up?
I'm getting blown. I don't know about you. What? You're going to blow me too? You got that quack quack.
Glock, glock.
Hawk. Put your sausage away. Not that kind of show.
It is.
So there we go, guys. So ID core is in, USB's there. We have normal BMW stuff happening when normal BMW stuff needs to happen, and then when we press and hold the backup button, transfers us over to a different screen, and we get the ID core, which will give us CarPlay and Android Auto. Happy days. In a bit.
So this is it. Engine's out. the investigation begins.
Was that running then?
Yeah.
As I was swearing.
Yeah.
Good.
No, I'm joking, it wasn't. I pressed the button and there was a 2 or 3 second delay.
So, this thing is moving and that thing is not. I'm wondering if we've dropped a valve. Piston has found it. Sent it.
To the moon.
No, not even to the moon, because we don't have any holes in the block and we haven't lost any oil. So it hasn't gone to the moon, but it may have.
But it was trying.
It may have sent it home, and what appears to be. So this is a rotation of this is a rotation. That's the drive. So if it span here, means that something here locked. Now, inlet is this. Out exhaust is that. The inlet is not turning, the inlet is locked up. The exhaust is moving. So my prognosis is, I think we may have dropped a valve. And everything carried on giving it la 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 la, having a magic day. And then...
Yeah, nah.
The engine RKO'd. That was that bolt I was on about, but I figured out from watching Mike's video when he was rebuilding an engine that he left this on out the way and detached it from down there, and I was like, what a clever fellow. And that's obviously just a Jubilee, makes it so much easier. We need a 17.
So the investigation is going to be an interesting one. 17 incoming.
What do I take home? Do I take the bike home? Really?
Well, alright then.
I'll get the big one.
Dunno. I mean, it's nice out. It is very nice out.
This is a, well, for now it's a sunny evening.
But you could go and enjoy your van that has no rattles, no bangs, no knocks anymore.
True. Look at that.
Bosh.
Big boy power. Auxiliary belt, looking good.
Yeet.
10 mil. Another cover. Go on with you. Right. So that is the intermediate shaft. Now this thing does, one way is driving, one way is undoing, and this usually undoes. I've keywaved mine so it doesn't do this. But basically that belt was here when it failed. It slipped here, which means I think that stopped. And because it was running that way, it couldn't drive it and it sheared off of this, because that there locked. I think this is our problem. So what we need to do is rotate the engine, if we can, to 10 degrees TDC.
Look. Wait a minute. Get me some super glue.
Why?
We'll put them back on.
Yeah. Forgetting that one.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Funny guy.
I just saw him there.
Laugh
I was
it
like,
up.
oh, okay.
Laugh it up, fuzzball.
God damn. So what's that, 5 teeth? More than that. Well, it's more than 5, isn't it? The rest of them are all somewhere at the A34.
Alright. Listen, I'm still grieving, alright?
That wound's still open and I've got a jar of salt.
It's vinegar from you, you bastard. God, is it wrong that I've done this too many times?
No. Well, yes. You're gonna end up with like PTSD.
I've got it. Right, these ones are little because they go to the cam lobes.
rusty boy.
Grab me the spark plug stuff down.
Sparky plugs. Sparky plug set. Weak. A big hole.
Ooh.
I'm sure people will be interested in seeing it come apart, so I'm going to
Yeah.
just going to keep filming.
Um,
I know that Jono will be watching because he loves this. He was asking about it the other day.
yeah, at the minute it's Lego.
And not that one then.
Can't remember which one it was. It's this one. Right,
Good.
so we've got one intact. So this is when we find out there's half a spark plug. Two.
Okay, that's good.
Three.
Okay.
Four. Right, so 10, no, 13, 10.
What's that, like a breather?
Yeah, yeah. Like a,
Yeah. Like one of them.
like a thing. Like a thingamy thing.
One of them thingy-majig
Let me
things.
just get a
Does it
bar.
have locating dowels in? Does it have locating pins in the cover?
What do you mean?
In the valve cover.
In this? No. Only like spark plug holes, things like that. Right. He's loose. Someone just dropped out down. Remember, we need to find that.
Well, hopefully we've got that on camera.
Right. So, wheel drain's got to come apart. So the cam doesn't look. Well, there's no snaps in the cam, which is a good thing. That one, look, is moving. This one is locked. So,
I'd just take that one out, Alex, rather than take that off.
I was just going to loosen them both. Start from the middle.
Oh, it's fucking solid.
Pressure's off of the cam. One. Two. Three.
Lovely V8, but what a lot of work.
Yeah.
The journal's look good. Only a little bit smaller.
Right, this This has got a seal in it, which can be a bit tight. There we go. And one. Right. Why is that pinched?
Oh, it's fucking solid, isn't it?
Right, something here is locking the cam up. There's pressure on the cam and it's pushing it into this side of the head. Look.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
unless
it's
you've got
snapped.
a valve stuck out. Or has it got a crack in it? No.
Right, that cylinder there, that just bounced with this removed. So, first cylinder, that just popped up. So I'm guessing the piston is sat against that valve.
Is that moving?
But that, that's not cracked, hasn't got a ring or a ting to it.
It's a head-off job, innit?
Yeah, that's alright, it takes 10 seconds to do. Bolts out there. That can stay. Injectors, no. Yes. No, that's all part of that anyway. Right, let's get torque on this.
Right, I shall see you chaps tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, H.
Hope it isn't too bad, mate.
Oh, it will be. It will be. Multi-spline, innit?
Yes, mate.
Are we talking? Oh no, way smaller. Talking 10 or 12. That's the one. Come on, you shit, why are you sticking?
Stage fright.
It is. Come on. Okay.
You're just breaking them free.
Yeah, you can't, you never do a head in, you don't like undo it and then
Yeah.
let it be, because the tension that's in this thing is enormous.
Mm.
You've got to do it in bits, increments, that's the word I'm looking for. That's still stiff. They are stretch bolts, but obviously there's no telling
What's pressing up
what's
against the
pressing
head?
up against it, because it could be something like a rod that's rammed a piston. It's tight, this top left,
Top right.
this top left. That's right, that's left.
Oh, right, okay. I was thinking how you were stood to it.
feed at the back. Right, you are tight. Right. Okay. 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 Ah. You can hear as we go and doing it.
Whoa.
I've got you can smell the sulfur. I think that's the word. Like the cavitation gas in like the bottom of the rod as it kind of breaks free.
Right.
From all the years of being stuck in the engine. I can smell the the gases letting loose. It should. You smell that? It's just puffed up again.
Oh yeah.
Weird, like
Yeah.
metallic-y smell. That's strange.
Right, so head bolts are out, everyone. Moment of truth.
If I can, the turbo pack is still connected.
Yeah.
And all the oil lines are still connected.
I think you're just catching on the head gasket.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Right. Grab me a torch, Daniel, son. Right. There's valve contact on that piston there. You see the
Yeah.
little marks
Two
for
at
the
the bottom.
piston and two at the top. And there's two on the top, two on the bottom. Two on the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, there's some on the top of that one
two
there.
on the, yeah, two on the top. So
Every
it has
single one.
hit. It has hit. What are the valves like? Oh yeah, look, they're squared. You see, they're not.
Oh shit, yeah.
They're not in the location that they should be in. They should be parallel with the hole, not parallel with the valve head. So they've come down.
Oh yeah, they're all bent then.
Yeah, they
Every
are.
single one.
Right. Right, let's pop that back on.
So that's it then, so 16 valves.
16 valves.
Four pistons. Not sure about rods yet.
Fuck's sake. Right.
Well, fuck.
Come on. CP pistons, holler at your brother.
CP, hit us up. We need a sponsor. We've been chewing through these pistons like it's no man's business.
Jeez.
God damn. Well, on that note,
See you in the morning, everyone.
see you in the morning. Bye.